Hey, welcome back to Crypto Ninjas. It's your boy Dale slicing through the blockchain noise to bring you the juiciest Web3 gems. Today, we're diving shell first into Turtle.xyz, the DeFi liquidity protocol that's moving slow but winning big. See what I did there? Because it's a turtle. Anyway, Turtle.xyz was founded in 2024 and it's already Web3's heavyweight champ with over 360,000 connected wallets and $5.5 billion dollars in routed liquidity. If you're tired of yield farms ghosting you like a bad Tinder date, then this video's your guide to Turtle's low risk, high reward game. We're covering what it is, how to use it, why it's catching momentum in DeFi, the spicy turtle token on Binance Hodler Airdrop, and is price prediction. Strap in, let's get into it. So, what's Turtle.xyz? Picture it as the ultimate DeFi matchmaker, hooking up liquidity providers like us with protocols desperate for sticky capital, all without the baggage of risky smart contracts. It's like the Uber of on chain liquidity, zipping across Ethereum, Linea, BNB, Avalanche, Solana, and Ton Network, delivering yields faster than a meme coin after CZ mentioned it, led by the DeFi sensei. Yeah, I'm not gonna say his name. Esfandiar Lagevardi nailed it. Turtle fixes the chaos of fragmented markets, whale snipers, and those dump and run farms that leave your portfolio crying. How? It tracks your existing moves, LPing on Uniswap, staking on ZeroLand, or swapping on decentralized exchanges, and auto drops you boosted rewards, points, and turtle tokens. No bridges, no sketchy approvals, just a one time wallet signature. Turtle's got three killer moves, curated deals with vaults rocking 15 to 25 to even 45% OPYs on some partnered pools like on Katana Network, consolidated liquidity, pooling our liquidity to score better terms, and a distributed network where partners like Katana embed Turtle's widgets for seamless yields. By October 2025, it's racked up 6 million plus in protocol revenue while cutting partner costs. This is DeFi 3.0, community driven, built for endurance, and tougher than a turtle's shell in a bear market. All right, enough talk. Let's get practical. Turtle's so easy anyone could farm yields without calling for tech support. Its off chain tracking means zero custody risk. Your funds stay safe. Here's your guide to join the Turtle Club. Step 1, hit app.turtle.xyz and connect your wallet. Sign one message. No gas, no locks. Your cross chain positions are now tracked. Step 2, link your X, Discord, or Telegram for bonus multipliers. This unlocks the Kaido AI Yapper leaderboard. Tweet about Turtle, earn points, and grab emission slices. It's like getting paid to shill your favorite altcoin, but legit. Step 3, browse deals or campaigns. Deals has vaults like Veda with about $184 million dollars in TVL and 10% boost on Veda points, campaigns. Tab offers events like the Avalanche Awakening with $71 million dollars in TVL and multiple boosted vaults earning up to 16%. Step 4, provide liquidity on the partner site like Euler Finance, offering 15% on REUL rewards. It's like adding extra guac to your burrito, but for profits. You can also swap directly on Turtle to get the desired assets and provide liquidity. Step 5, track your rank for the Turtle liquidity season. 1. Airdrop. The dashboard shows your wallet score, liquidity leaderboard. Position 0.2% Turtle token allocation for season 1 champs, and claimable rewards. Pro tip, start with stables for a risk free dip. In 5 minutes, you're farming like a pro. Turtle's non custodial setup keeps you in control, so no more rug pulls leaving you broke and tweeting FUD. So, why pick Turtle over yield aggregators or farm hopping? Most protocols demand locks, risking exploits. Turtle uses phantom liquidity, tracking your existing positions off chain on trusted platforms. No bridging drama, no whale snipers, thanks to anti snipe tech and rep scoring that rewards loyal LPs over one night stand farmers. unlike those 2021 yield farms that dumped harder than my current portfolio. Turtle's vesting builds a Turtle Club vibe. Loyalty, not rug. The partners dig it too. Widgets let wallets like Consensus push Turtle deals, splitting revenue while keeping users hooked. What about the numbers? So far, Turtle made over $6 million revenue, 34% weekly growth, and TVL growing fast. According to DeFi Llama, it's now at $77 million in TVL. It's for serious people building long term reps, not degens chasing 1000% APYs that rugs after 24 hours. Turtle unifies DeFi's mess. One dashboard, multi chain mastery, sustainable swagger. As the old saying goes, turtles move slow, but they win races, or something like that. As of October the 21st, 2025, 360,000 wallets, more than $5.5 billion, liquidity routed to more than 150 partners, $77 million TVL in campaigns, and a whopping $6 million plus revenue. This screams product market fit. The big flex? They raised $5.5 million on October 20th, totaling $11.7 million from crypto senseis like GSR, Anchorage, Amber Group, Falcon X, and Polygon Angels. It's fueling multi chain integrations and yield farming. And now let's talk about the ultimate news. Binance Hodler Airdrop. Dropped October 21st, Turtle is their 55th project. Deposits open 6 p.m. UTC today. Trading kicks off 11 p.m. UTC October 22nd. 10M Turtle token, about 1% supply, is for BNB hodlers in Simple Earn or On-Chain Earn from October 14th to 17th. Turtle's Genesis airdrop, 13.9% total, lands also tomorrow. 0.1% for Kaido Yappers, 0.2% for Liquidity Leaderboard. With 34% weekly growth, Turtle's the silent assassin of DeFi. Now, what about the Turtle token, the central of this ecosystem? Total support is 1 billion, launching multi-chain on Ethereum, Linea, and BNB at TGE on October 22nd. Initial circulating is around 154.7 million, which is 15.47%. Tokenomics are tight. 31.5% for ecosystem/community, 13.9% airdrop, including Binance's Hodler airdrop program. Liquidity providers score 20%, team 15%, with 4 years vesting period. Investors get 19.6%, which are locked. Emissions 0.5% for community via leaderboards on milestones. No inflation spam. What about utilities? We have governance, boosts, whole turtle token for 10 to 50% LP reward spikes. Revenue share, partner fees flow back via treasury. For future plans, TradFi yields more chains coming. This isn't just a token, it's your pass to DeFi's distribution layer. Finally, let's talk about Turtle price prediction. Pre-markets are listing Turtle token at 26 to 29 cents per token. That indicates an FDV of around $260 to $290 million. With current market situation, I think it's a fair valuation, though I hope it would be a bit higher at launch. Personally, I think Turtle will launch at around $350 million in FDV, aka 35 cents per token, and slowly declining to 25 cents after several hours. But this is not financial advice. Do your own research before aping in. And that's our video on turtle.xyz. With Binance backing and TGE tomorrow, it's time to strike. Drop a comment what you think the price of Turtle will be. Smash like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more crypto content. Stay safe. Daily out.